Head ass gang. Mama Jones, Papa Jones, they the head ass gang. You gotta like and subscribe, and you gon' watch us, man. Go Mama Jones, go Papa Jones, and we ain't watching nothing else, 'cause this who channel we on.
What up, Mama Jones squad? Welcome to the shenanigans, you guys. And meet my little chickens and the rooster. We don't know which is which, but I have to clean out their little compartment. Look at them. So, yeah. Let's get it together. So what I'm gonna do is, I've been had them for maybe a week, probably not that long. So I'm just gonna fit them in this little bowl right now. Look, they trying to get out. Come on, little people. Come on, stay. They keep kicking the water up. Get back. Have to clean their food bowl and fill it up. They done got out of here, so that ain't gonna work. We need something bigger to put these little people in. Come on now, I ain't finna run behind y'all till we get your chicken coop. Did you get your chicken coops? Yeah. I'm gonna use this. Oh goodness. Trying to get it, y'all. That's a little heating pad. Okay, stay tuned. I'm gonna make this easy. I'm gonna take this to the dumpster. Alright, so I'm gonna get a doggy bag and put down here. Put that little heating pad back in here. Keep them warm. I'm not gonna put this much of this stuff in here anymore because they kicks it all in the food. So. There's a beetle bug in there. Put their food back in here. We're gonna put them back. He the greedy one. He greedy, so he must be a rooster. And then they don't know. I asked for 3 chickens or either 4 chickens, but they was like, you might end up with just roosters. I'm hoping not, but because we need the hens. But I think for sure this little fella here is a rooster. I'm gonna get some ducks, but they were out of ducks. So, yeah, and then he might be a little rooster. No, yeah, he could be a rooster too. So they just, look at them. We gonna cook you one day. But we got to get some eggs, huh? Yeah. So what I did was took a bin, drilled some holes in it. Now, I normally take it off during the daytime. Then they have a lamp. Take it out. It's trash. Now, when you dealing with chickens, you have to sanitize everything. So, I keep the top on it because I don't want the buzzers to come and get them. So stay tuned, y'all. All right, gang. So when dealing with chickens, you have to sanitize your hands and everything. So I did a little bleach and soap. That's what the instructions said, to make sure you sanitize real good. So now, everything that I touch, bleach, soap, first I'm gonna wipe off my tripod stand because I did touch it. Bleach bottle. Screen the phone. I'll wash my hands one more time. So maybe in a couple weeks, they should be nice size. Because my friend's son bought some that size, and they've been had them a month, and they're huge. So I'll be having to get a chicken coop really soon. Eventually decide where I'm gonna put that chicken coop at. Probably behind the house, y'all. So you can't see it. But all right, gang. Mama Jones is trying to turn into former Mama Jones. You heard me. You heard me. We finna live off this land. Got too much land to not to be living off of it. So y'all give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. On gang. Head ass gang, 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 on that head ass gang. Peanut butter head ass, biscuit head ass, sausage head.